Take a deep breath, let it out slowly, and settle into this moment. When you feel ready, gently close your eyes. Let's start at the very top. Invite the muscles around your head to relax, releasing any tension at your forehead, your eyebrows, your temples. Imagine gravity softly taking over your eyelids, allowing them to feel heavy as your breathing settles into a calm, easy rhythm. Feel each breath bring a sense of peace that moves gently down through your cheeks and jaw, releasing any tightness as your neck begins to soften too. Just breathe. Enjoy each breath as it flows in and out, loosening your neck, your shoulders and your arms as they sink deeper into relaxation. Now, picture the tension melting away from your chest, easing through your abdominal muscles, softening each part of you as if you're exhaling away any lingering stress. Let your body know, right now there's nothing to hold on to. It doesn't need to do anything. It's already accomplished so much. Remind yourself that your body is remarkable. It has been breathing for you, digesting your food, carrying you through each day. It is a gift, this body, a miracle just as it is. Allow yourself to relax even deeper, as if a gentle wave of warmth is washing over you, moving slowly from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Imagine that wave, soothing and grounding, inviting you to sink into a space of total calm. As you tune in, just notice how your body feels. Don't try to change or fix anything, just breathe with it. Let yourself simply be here, fully present with whatever feelings or sensations arise. Continue this presence, breathing naturally, gently observing without any need to act. Simply allow yourself to be. Stay open now to these affirmations, as if you are saying them to your own heart. Every challenge you've faced has helped you grow. Each moment, each experience has prepared you for a greater understanding and a deeper peace. You are aligning with your own light, your capacity to feel love, your ability to experience peace. You are deserving of incredible things. You are a true gift to this world, worthy of abundance that lives within you already, riches that no one can take away, a peace that is all your own. As you let your breath settle back into its natural rhythm, know that you have the power to choose peace, right here, right now. You are exactly where you need to be. Let your body know, it's okay, I am here. When you're ready, take your time. Slowly start to bring your awareness back to this room, to the space around you. Open your eyes whenever it feels right.